So here let f maps R to R defined by f of x equal to, okay, here let's take 2x plus some 5 or 7. So now we have to prove this is one function. How do you prove this is one function? Proof. What I am saying is let x1 comma x2 belongs to R, where from we are taking domain. Any two elements you take, how do you take? Such that their images are equal. Images are, let's say, equal. If their images are equal, then what should happen? They should be equal. So their images are equal. What are the images? 2x1 plus 7 equal to 2x2 plus 7. Hope you are able to understand this one. So f of x1 means 2x1 plus 7. F of x2 means what? 2x2 plus 7. So I am taking images are equal. If I take images are equal, what will happen? Then 7 you can cancel, 2 you can cancel. That means 2x1 equal to 2x2. Then 2 you can cancel, x1 equal to x2. What does it mean? What does it mean? Reverse I did. That means if I take here, that meaning if I take x1 is not equal to x2, then what will happen? 2x1 not equal to x2. This process only you can do like this. Then automatically f of x1 is not equal to f of x2 will happen. That means if different elements have different images, what does it mean? Images are equal, then elements also becomes equal. If two images are equal, then elements also becomes equal. So this is how it will be proved. So if you have to take like this and you have to prove. What does it mean? If you prove like this, it is same as different elements have different images. This proving of different elements have different images is same as if images are equal, then elements are equal. These both are same only. So then how do you prove this one? F maps R to R defined as f of x equal to x square plus 3. How do you prove this? Okay, how do you prove this? How do you prove this is 1 1 or not 1 1? So proof. How do you prove this? You see. So first you have to take, here I'm taking, let x1 comma x2 belongs to R. Where is that? Domain. From domain I'm taking, from here domain I'm taking, such that f of x1 domain images are equal. I'm taking like this. I'm taking two elements x1 x2 belongs to R. In the domain I'm taking two elements such that its domain, its images are equal. Then what will happen? X1 square plus 3. Here x1 I put x1 square plus 3 equal to x2 square plus 3. Then 3 cancel. X1 square equal to x2. What does it mean then? X1 equal to x2 or x1 equal to minus x2. You know this. X1 square equal to x2 means x1 equal to plus or minus x2. Plus or minus x2. So now here what you should get is, here should get only x1 equal to x2 you should get. That is the definition. That is the definition. So I am writing here definition. This one I'm see. This one, this is the definition. What is that? Let x1 x2 belongs to R such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. Then we have to prove x1 equal to x2. Then this becomes 1 1. That is the definition. Okay, what is the definition? Let x1 x2 belongs to R. Then what we have to prove? X1 equal to x2 only we have to prove. But what we also get? X1 equal to minus x2. What does it mean? That means if you take both so here x1 equal to x2, if you take different elements, if you take here x1 equal to x2, if you take also, you will get f of x1 equal to f of x2. If you take x1 equal to minus x2 also, you will get this. That means what? When images are equal, then elements should be equal, but elements are not becoming equal here. Here that means x1 can be, it is like this. I'm giving example now. It is like this. So now here f of minus 1 equal to f of plus 1 is happening. See. Okay, f of minus 1, f of 1. So if I take images are equal, because f of minus 1 equal to f of 1. Why? F of minus 1 is what? 4, equal to 4. Then what should happen? Minus 1 equal to plus 1 should happen, but not equal. That is the reason here. Two things are there. F of 1 equal to f of 1, if I take 1 equal to 1, you get. This is x1, this is x2. Okay, f of 1 equal to 1 you are getting. But if you take f of minus 1 equal to f of 1 also you can take. See, both the images are equal. Then elements should be equal. Elements are not equal because 1 is not equal to minus 1. So finally, what is the conclusion? You can take this conclusion is definition of one function, one-to-one function. What is the definition? F maps A to B. Uh, f is a function from A to B is one function. If what you can write, if x1 is not equal to x, different elements. If x1 comma x2 belongs to A such that, like this, such that belongs to means this means such that x1 equal not equal to x2 implies f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. What does it mean? F maps A to B, f is a function from A to B is 1 when if any two elements, how do you take two different elements in A, x1 x2 belongs to A such that x1 is not equal to x2, meaning any two different elements if you take, their image is also different. See, x1 not equal to x2, then f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. This is mathematical definition. Mathematically we are writing, not theoretically. Mathematical terms we are writing. So this is, or you can also like this, x1 comma x2 belongs to A such that images are equal. If f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 equal to x2. This is also same. Either you prove this or you prove this. Different elements if you take, you have to prove different images. If you take images are equal, then you have to prove elements are equal. So this is any one you can prove. So I proved, that's the reason. Which one you have to take is, most of the times we take this only. Second only convenient and easy. When f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 equal to x2 if you prove, then reverse also happens automatically. If this is not equal, this is not equal will happen. So that's why I gave two examples. One is where it is happening and another where it is not happening. So this only I told in the last. Okay, hope you can, this one you can take it. Okay, right? So then on to function. Okay, right, good. So this is one function because here different elements will have different images because there is no negative number only. For x square, when problem comes for x square, when your -1 and +1 both are there, then problem comes. But your negative numbers only not there. When negative number, positive number is there, then different elements will have same image. Here only positive numbers are there. Then different elements will have different images. There is no problem.
Sir, this function I can prove in f of x1 not equal to f of x2?
No. Only two. Not equal. No. If you start with f of x1, you have to take like this. F of x1 equal to f of x2. Then x1 equal to x2. You have to prove like this. Here, see, f of x1 equal to f of x2. Yes. So then what will happen? X1 square equal to x2 square. Then x1 equal to x2 only should write. You cannot write, this is wrong. X1 equal to minus x2 you cannot write. Why you can't write? Because there is no negative only, na? Here what we have taken, x1 x2 we have taken, but when you taken x1 x2, x1 you have taken, x1 x2 you have taken, na? X1 x2 you have taken from R plus. When you have taken x1 comma x2 from R plus, then what will happen? X1 is greater than 0, then x2 also greater than 0. Both are positive only, na? So here x1 equal to x2 you can write, but x1 equal to minus x2 you cannot write because x2 is positive. Positive into minus is negative. X1 becomes negative. If x2 is positive, x1 becomes negative. This is not possible because x1 x2 are both are positive. Na? One positive number equal to what you are getting is minus x2 you are getting. So one is positive, one is, this means one is positive, one is negative you are getting. X1 x2 both have opposite sign you are getting. So therefore here this is not possible. Therefore f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2, like this we can say. Here both x1 x2 are positive, therefore this is not possible. So only you are getting this. That, like this you
Sir,
can
if the
prove.
condition